everyone, and today I'm gonna show you how to draw a Picasso mask. Okay, so first we're gonna draw a big oval like this, and then a square eye for him like this. And then we're gonna draw another square inside of his square eye. Now let's draw a circle for the other one of his eyes and another circle inside. Now let's draw a mouth. So first go like this and go like a roller coaster. Next, let's make some shapes for him. So first we're gonna start off with a swirl, another swirl, and another swirl. Now I'm gonna add some dots, more dots, and even more dots. Now I'm gonna draw some stars for him like this, this, and this. Now I'm gonna draw him a nose. I'm gonna go like this, this, and this. Then we're gonna color this in. Now I wanna draw him some shapes, like a square right here, and a circly one right here, a triangle right here, a circle right here, and pretty much we're done. And now we have a finished picture. Look at this guy. He has some eyes, a nose, a mouth, and all sorts of shapes and sizes. See you later, and hope you smash that subscribe button.